All right, so your customer's filling out a loan application, and at the bottom of the application, we have some agreements that they need to sign in order for you to do your job as a loan officer. Mainly our privacy policy, our eDisclosure agreement, and the authorization to pull credit. So you can see these links down here as well as the checkbox that's required before your customer can submit the loan application. To adjust what is contained, so if I click on this, you can see it takes me to privacy policy. This is the text I currently have in my privacy policy. To change the text that's tied to these agreements, go to your settings, click on compliance and disclaimers. Now, if you're a branch manager, corporate manager, somebody who's responsible for the compliance for your company, you want to edit your company settings. Or if you're a loan officer and just want to adjust it on your level, select your level there. So I'm going to go into my company level. Down here, you see where it says system defaults. Under that is compliance and disclaimers. Each of these disclaimers is controllable by you. Now, we do have some default language in there. Get it verified or approved by your compliance department. We're not responsible for that, but it is pretty standard language for e-consent and credit auth. And so you can edit what's in here and make sure whenever you're done editing each or all sections, you are saving the changes. Guys, you have to save the changes, otherwise they will not show up for you. Now, when your clients submit the loan, the authorization is going to be attached to the loan itself. So if you ever need it for auditing purposes, so for example, here's a 1003, this is a customer who applied. I can go into my quick settings inside the loan, into my files area, and you'll see a loan application agreement document right here, which it will download as a PDF if I click on it. And here is the authorization. So you can take that, put it in your auditing file, and you're set.